I am crushing up these nuts that I get from India, guys, to get rid of dark circles. But these nuts are so hard, and when I get the crunch in them, guys, I'm using a coffee grinder as well as this blender, trying to import it. And I even put a thing over it, but it's really hard to get rid of. Now I'm grinding it in this smaller grinder because I want it to be very fine. So this is what I'm going to make in my dark circle serve to remove your dark circle. So it's just getting it crushed into a fine powder. I need it this fine. I've been grinding it up. So, okay, guys. So the next phase is, you guys see this? Sweet almond oil that lightens dark circles. So you guys see that I'm putting this in there. And now, let me see. I need to turn it around here. I should have used my tripod. Now, I'm going to take this mixture, guys, and I'm going to fill these up with my tubes. So I'm going to take a half a teaspoon of this potent under eye dark circle remover. I'm going to mix this up, and I'm going to let it sit in this almond oil. Just let it marinate, guys. And then I'm going to extract it. And I know I probably didn't say that right. But then put it in these under eye tubes that at nighttime, you'll put this under your eyes, your dark circles. So I'm going to let this sit overnight, and then I'm going to put it into the tubes. Alrighty. So you guys see? I'm going to let it get really potent, and it's going to go into the tubes, and then you roll this under your eyes to lighten up your dark circles. Alrighty. Guys, I'm warming it up in the microwave because I want this mixture in there to be very, very potent. Then I'm going to let it sit overnight, and then I'm going to put it into the tubes to go under your eye, and this stuff will remove your dark circles, guys. Thank you. So you guys see this orange peel? I'm going to do in oranges. The citrus orange peel also lightens your skin. I'm going to put that in there as well. So it's going to give it a nice citric smell. And we're going to let this marinate, and I will put it in the containers tomorrow. Alrighty. Oh, I got my little blender. Hold on. I'll mix it up right. All right. I had to switch bowls because you guys see that bowl is much smaller. So I need it to be able to mix it. Guys see I mix it up so it could be blended well. And I'm going to let it sit. And it's going to go in them containers tomorrow. I'm going to cover it up with plastic wrap. And this stuff will, you use this every night. Bye-bye under eye dark circles. I suffer from really bad circles, dark circles. And I got this recipe from a man over in India. So, alrighty, guys. And I will be selling this. So, I'll keep you guys posted. Bye-bye. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove my makeup, and I'm going to start using my dark circle cream. So if you guys see, I put it into a bottle, and all the good nutrients from the oils sits at the bottom sometime. But remember, that's why I heated it. So I'm going to get the makeup off, and I'm going to come back and reveal this side, and I'll put it on, guys, and just show you guys the process of it working. All right. Guys, so I feel like an episode of Two-Face. So I took off all the makeup on this side, and I want to show you guys my dark circles. You guys see that? And these spots. So this is the cream, and you put it on at night, guys, and it's going to lighten up all of this darkness and these dark circles. So I wanted to show you guys because the proof got to be in the pudding. So You rub this on, and say I put it in this type of roller. And you just rub it on. And you sleep in it, guys. Massage it into your eyes real well. And in about 7 days, these dark circles are going to be gone. So after you put it on, just work it in, guys. Work up the blood flow in your finger. And that's why I put it into a roller one. And just keep rolling it in, guys. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys my dark circles, like when I take off the makeup. So I'm like Two-Face, one side, makeup on, other side off. So I have these dark circles, guys. So alrighty, guys, you guys have an awesome night. Just wanted to reveal this cream to you guys. And in 7 days, my dark circles is going to be gone. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so here it is. You can screenshot it. The almond oil, the turmeric, the castor oil, all these things remove dark circles, guys. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. So yes, guys, I should have my dark circles removed within 7 days. I'll check back in.